Hi, welcome to Quarantine Cooking with Katie. So I've done so many KitKat videos, especially in Japan. I decided to make my own. So I found the recipe on Big Man's World. There's only a few ingredients. I don't have the peanut butter, but I'm going to try and make it anyway. And I'm going to change it up. I'm going to crush the Chex. Actually, it's not even Chex Mix. They're Katie's kind of KitKat bars, homemade. I have Kirkland's coconut oil, Puffins, Enjoy Life. I also didn't realize that I have dark chocolate. Dark chocolate, Katie's kind of KitKat bars, homemade. TM. And then Kirkland's maple syrup. Chocolate, maple syrup, and coconut oil. Sans peanut butter. And my sister said, you're putting that with oil and it's supposed to melt? So, I don't know science. Popping bubble wrap. Oh, nice going. Smells delightful, so I have no idea what I'm making at this point. But I'm gonna treat it like a lasagna and kind of just layer it. So I put the Barbara's Puffin cereal on, I don't know if it's gonna work. It's chocolate, crunchiness, hopefully, maple syrup and coconut oil. So if anything, it just won't be a KitKat. It'll be like a chocolate calzone. So why couldn't I just follow the recipe? Why did I have to be me? I think I stirred the chocolate too much and something broke down. Whatever, I'm still gonna do it. I don't know if you can see like the gleam or the shininess of it, but it looks like freshly potted soil. It's not even flat. The chocolate messed up with the chocolate. Don't know how you do that. If it doesn't work out, I found one way of not making homemade KitKats. They will truly be Katie's kind of KitKat bars. Yeah. Dear God, this literally looks like dirt. What did I do? What did I create? Oh my God. I am just horrified. Oh my God. I mean, I don't even know. I think Chex Mix would be so much better. So I know what I did wrong.